Just look at this children's multicolored slide. What's inside this garage? This is a monster truck. Number 1. What's next? Oh wow! This is a monster truck. Number 2. What's next? This is a monster truck. Number 3. Okay, what's next? This is a monster truck. Number 4. What's next? This is a monster truck. Number 5. Okay, let's go. Be careful. Oh my god, it's green Play-Doh. Let's drive on that green children's slide. These are green soccer balls. Wow! Green soccer balls. Green paint pool. It's a green monster truck. Green Play-Doh. Okay, let's go. Be careful. Oh my gosh, it's purple Play-Doh. Let's drive on that purple children's slide. These are purple soccer balls. Wow! Purple soccer balls. Purple paint pool. It's a purple monster truck. Purple Play-Doh. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, it's yellow Play-Doh. Let's drive on that yellow children's slide. These are yellow soccer balls. Wow! Yellow soccer balls. Yellow paint pool. It's a yellow monster truck. Yellow Play-Doh. Okay, let's go. Be careful. Oh my god, it's blue Play-Doh. Let's drive on that blue children's slide. These are blue soccer balls. Wow! Blue soccer balls. Blue paint pool. It's a blue monster truck. Blue Play-Doh. Yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, it's red Play-Doh. Let's drive on that red children's slide. These are red soccer balls. Wow! Red soccer balls. Red paint pool. It's a red monster truck. Red Play-Doh. Don't forget subscribe and hit the little bell button to get notifications of my next video. Dada Mama Kids.